Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to clean and maintain your iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, just visually look at your Roomba from time to time and wipe down any sensors. You might see some hair, some fuzz, some debris, dust collecting on there. Just grab like a Q-tip or a microfiber cloth, something along those lines. Just keep that clean and tidy there. That kind of leads us to the top and the back side of our Roomba. You have your mopping pad, which I would recommend, even though it can clean and wash itself, go ahead every once in a while and throw this in your washer. Just run a load, or you can rinse it out under the sink with some dish soap, things like that, just to promote the longevity of this and keep it as clean as possible. You can also wipe down the underside here where the mop pad rests. And then you'll want to periodically pull out the bin right here, and you can rinse out where the water is stored if you want for the water tank. Same can be said for the dustbin here. I'd grab some compressed air and clean as needed. If you have any buildup or anything else, you could take a wipe. Just make sure it's dry once you're finished. We also have a filter up at the top there. And then you'll notice this is where the self-empty is. If you ever have any hair or things trapped there, you can go ahead and just pull that back and clean and wipe down again as needed. But I keep that dry. Compressed air will be your friend. Same with this filter. You can promote the longevity of it by just grabbing some compressed air. You can clean that out and you'll get a lot of that really fine dirt and dust that's trapped in there out and breathe some new life into your filter. But very easy to replace these as well. So make sure you have a couple of those. And then with the dustbin removed, you can kind of peek in here too to see if there's anything else that might need to be periodically wiped down. Again, compressed air will be your friend, but a very simple and straightforward vacuum to take care of. And that leads us to the underside here. You can inspect the wheels, use a Q-tip again, just wipe down the cliff sensors as needed. Same with the charging contacts. We got another sensor in there too that you can make sure doesn't have anything trapped in there. Side cleaning brush, you can grab a screwdriver to pop that off. You can also probably cut off any hair tangles that might be wrapped around it. That's going to be a common point to see there. And then our main brush rollers right here, you can pop this off and then you can remove those rollers to detangle or replace as needed. So very simple and straightforward to get exactly what you want cleaned and maintained on this Roomba.